Let me show you how to solve this math question on the board. We are given 3 raised to the power of 3x minus 8 minus 1 over 3 raised to the power of x minus 2 equal to 0. And we are expected to find the value of x. If you want to solve this question correctly, the first thing you need to do is to move this negative 1 over 3 raised to the power of x minus 2 to the right hand side of the equation. That's the first thing we need to do. So here is the solution. We'll have to write down this 3 raised to the power of 3x minus 8, then equal to, when we move this to the right hand side, it will change from negative this to a positive value. You understand? So 1 over 3 raised to the power of x minus 2. The negative sign will no longer be there again because it has crossed an equality sign. Now, the next thing to do is to write this right hand side of the equation in exponential form in base 3 so that it will look exactly like the left hand side of the equation. So how do we write this to look like this? It's very simple. This is what you need to do. This is 3 raised to the power of 3x minus 8, then equal to, now because we have 1 over this, simply write down what you have, 3 raised to the power of, now because of this 1 over, we are going to change the sign that is attached to each of these terms here on the power. So this is x. So because we have it in this form, it will change to negative x. Why? Because of this 1 over. Are you getting me? This is in accordance with negative power law of indices. So this one will change to positive 2. And the 1 over is no longer there again. This 1 over is no longer there. You understand? Now, if you look at the two sides, they look so much alike. We have 3 raised to the power of this equal to 3 raised to the power of this. Because the bases are the same, they will cancel. And we are left with 3x minus 8 equal to negative x plus 2. So the next thing to do now is to collect like terms. All the x should be on one side of the equation, while only numbers should be on the other side of the equation. So this 3x will have to be on the left. This negative x will have to cross over to the left hand side. When it does that, changes to positive x, then equal to this positive 2 will remain there. Then this negative 8, when it crosses, changes to positive 8. We'll have positive 8. Now we have 3x plus x. That will give us 4x. 4x then equal to 2 plus 8. That will give us 10. The next thing to do is to divide both sides by this 4 that is attached to the x here. So divide this by 4 and also divide this by 4. 4 here will cancel 4 and we have x equal to, now 2 can divide these numbers. 2 here, 2. 2 here, 5. So we have 5 over 2. And because we have an improper fraction here, we can write it in form of mixed fraction. And if we do that, we are going to get 2 into 5 how many times? 2. We'll have 2 whole number, then put this slash, carry this 2 and write here. Now 2 times 2 is what? 4. That 4 plus what will give us this 5? 1. And this is the answer to this question. If you love my teaching, please do well to drop a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.